Hi, my name is Darrel Wonge, and I'm a DOP/cinematographer. So we're here today shooting a charity commercial for IDRF, focusing on Ramadan. We have a good crew of about 12 to 15, I would believe. And yeah, we're being a little bit more on the creative side with this. We're shooting 4 scenes in total over 2 days, and each scene's a one take. We're gonna do this nice futuristic transition to show how people's donations affect and help families. So the first scene starts off with in a lovely, wealthy living room, and then we get into a transition on the pullout, and we're like in a third world type of setting, more poor type of setting. And the whole idea of this campaign is to help raise donations for families that need it to help them live a better life. So when I was first brought onto this project, the director, Adeel, told me that he wanted a warm family setting. I'm used to lighting things a little bit more moody and dark, so it was a fun little challenge to brighten things up a little bit, to make it feel warm in here, happy family, and that goes along with how the donations help these families. So when it came to lighting, I wanted, when people see the project, I wanted them to feel the warmth, I wanted them to feel like they are part of this family. We went with a tungsten feel for most of the lighting setup for it. For this project, we decided to use the Ronin for efficiency reasons instead of going over the dolly. We paired the Ronin with the Red Raptor V and the Cinemachron lenses, which give a great highlight roll-off for us and a good shallow depth of field. They're fast lenses, lightweight, great for gimbal usage. The lighting setup for the first scene is a bright, warm family setting. So we went with the Light Mat 4 for an over-top headlight to play off the chandelier. And then we used the pixel tubes for hair lights. Back room of the kitchen, we have a Freestyle 31 to give off a little moonlight feeling to the blue and the tungsten contrast. And then we use aperture MCs in the chandeliers in the kitchen, so we'd be able to dim it down as well. So that's it for today. Thank you for listening to the breakdown. Hope you enjoyed it, and I guess I'll see y'all next time.
This Ramadan, remember to be kind, remember to be generous, and remember most of all, to be grateful.
Because not everyone has the same reality.
Donate now and help provide families with food.